forces are in this tower, along with Al-Jawhara Tower, which was directly targeted yesterday. As you can hear now, the raids are directly targeting the tower. Just a while ago as well. I'm sorry again. Oh my God, yes, I need to go down. If you can hear me, I can't. Oh my God. We're going to direct the camera now towards the explosions. Can you hear me? Yes, I've directed the camera now towards the explosion. This is a Shroq tower that has been brought down. As you can see, I was standing right opposite to it when I was talking to you. The destruction is massive. This is one of the biggest buildings. The building has not fallen yet. It has not fallen yet, which means that more rockets right now will be fired towards